6 times 6 by 6, 1 by 6, 1. Therefore here 6 divided by 1, okay, because 6 over 6 means 1. 6 divided by 1 is equals to 6. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? So in this expression, there is one division here and one multiplication, okay? Therefore, according to Pemdas, division and multiplication has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division and next this multiplication, okay? Therefore, we have to do this first. Then in order to do this, we follow the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip, okay? So we have to keep the first number and we change this division into multiplication and flip the second fraction, okay? 6 over 1, then times 6. Then here 6 times 6 over 1 means 6 times 6, which equals 36 times 6. 36 times 6 means 6 times 6. 6 times 6, which equals 36, remainder 3, and 6 times 3, which equals 18 plus together with 3 or plus 3, which equals to 21. Therefore, the correct answer is 216. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem equals to 216.